trader. In this quick 5-minute video, I will unveil a new way of Forex trading that's proven to generate amazing results for both beginners and veterans. So it's very important that you watch this video all the way to the end, because this new form of trading could change your fortune in the very near future. And I, Carl Dittman, know this for sure. Once I was where you're at right now. I was desperate for change. This is why I worked really hard to develop my own winning strategies. But that doesn't mean that the trading tools I'm creating are complicated. I'd really like everything to be as easy as possible for every trader, no matter the experience level. And that's why, year in and year out, I'm getting a ton of amazing testimonials from traders all around the world. My passion to help is what lies at the heart of every trading software I develop. First of all, it's not hard. In fact, you will be amazed at how simple it could be to win tons of trades. That's because you will do almost no thinking whatsoever. You won't be struggling to read the charts determining if prices will go up or down. No, instead, an algorithm that's been developed by an expert team of programmers and traders will do all that for you. It adapts to any market conditions, gathers and processes information in its so-called brain, and hands you highly accurate trades on a consistent basis. What's unique about this software, though, is that it was programmed with the idea of resembling a DNA spiral. Just like the original DNA Scalper holds and processes huge amounts of information. It's capable of performing highly complex calculations in the shortest time possible in order to detect impulsive price movements that identify early trend formation. As a result of slow thinking, most traders discover trading opportunities after the price has traveled several pips already. Normally, looking at the charts, a typical trader wouldn't be able to do this, but this software can. And get this, you can admire its logic in the form of a user-friendly graphical interface, which shows you what the algorithm is thinking at any given time. With the type of thoroughness and rigor used in its development, the software is calibrated to offer only the highest quality signals that provide the highest chances of winning. The odds are in your favor. Wouldn't you like to see what the software could do for you today, right now? Introducing DNA Scalper. Here, look at these marvelous profitable trades on 1-minute time frame. British pound, US dollar, 58 pips profit in just a few hours. And these trades on British pound, Japanese yen 5-minute time frame made profit of 84, 20, 27, and 45 pips. That's just mind-blowing. Now, let's move on to higher time frames. First, let's start with these trades on Euro British pound, 15 minutes, 244, 20, and 92 pips. DNA Scalper definitely knows how to do its job. And lastly, M30, US dollar, Canadian dollar. 3 trades resulting in 68, 206, and 120 pips. That's almost 400 pips total, all just by following simple buy-sell signals. As you can see, DNA Scalper works well on the 1, 5, 15, and 30-minute time frames. Any currency pair. DNA Scalper is amazingly strong. One of its biggest advantages is identifying the trend before it forms on these lower time frames that offer quick potential profit of 15, 20, or even 30 or more pips, which easily adds up to some serious numbers that you could be getting day in and day out. With this type of smart engineering and technology that's used in DNA Scalper, your trading has no chance but to start getting more precise, more accurate, and most importantly, super profitable. It's like having one of the best traders in the world doing the entire job for you. Starting with $100, constant daily gains could possibly grow your account to a cool 4-figure balance within a few short weeks, all with almost no analysis, pondering over charts, or stress. With sound money management, say over 90 days, you could compound your winnings to eventually pull in up to $200 per day. At this outstanding winning rate, you could soon be making thousands per month. Diligently working DNA Scalper and taking advantage of its power could give you an opportunity to earn more in a week than what most people earn in a month. That's because your trades will be given to you on a silver platter via 3 types of built-in signal alerts that will do everything in their power to ensure you never miss on another powerful trading opportunity. Pop-up alert with sound on MT4 platform. Keep your MT4 platform running while getting other things done. Once you hear the pop-up sound alert, go to your computer and place your trade. Easy. Instant email notification. You can also have signal alerts sent to your email. Very convenient. Push notification to your mobile phone. Finally, you can have alerts sent to your phone. Just bring up your mobile trading platform and place trades on the go, wherever you are. Get your alerts, place your trades, and profit. DNA Scalper was created to make it brain-dead easy for any trader, no matter what the experience level. Along with the software, you will get a clearly outlined user guide, quick and reliable email support, plus free software updates for life. The public has never been exposed to this level of trading before, but today, you will be one of the first few to experience the profits this new groundbreaking technology could help you achieve. Get it, test it, and you'll have no choice but to love it. And if you don't, simply ask for your money back. What's there to lose? Your mind-blowing profits await. Don't miss your chance. Download DNA Scalper below right now.